Hello and welcome to Advanced Navigation's unboxing video series. At Advanced Navigation, we're dedicated to pioneering high-accuracy navigation and robotics technology for the most demanding applications. Across defense, mining, marine, and aerospace, our solutions power critical operations, from autonomous platforms and precise mapping to robust positioning in extreme environments. Evaluation kits, or EKs, are designed to empower engineers like you to understand what comes in each EK, facilitate rapid setup and accelerate your test programs, enabling you to get your solutions into the field faster and with greater confidence. And with our dedicated support engineers, who are also application experts, we're committed to creating a seamless experience for you every step of the way. Welcome to our unboxing of the Boreas D Evaluation Kit. This video is designed to give our technical customers a comprehensive look at what's included in both of our Boreas D series evaluation kits, allowing you to quickly get started with your Boreas unit. Both the Boreas D90 and D70, as well as the A90 and A70 variants, come supplied in this rugged transport case. It's designed to protect the equipment during transit, ensuring everything inside arrives safely. Upon opening, you'll see how meticulously the components are arranged within the protective foam. These are the contents common to the Boreas D series devices. We'll start with the primary device, which is the Boreas INS unit itself. This comes equipped with an Aries dual GNSS receiver or a Trimble BD992 GNSS receiver built right into the unit. Next up, we have two GNSS antennas. Next, we have two 4-meter RG58 A/U GNSS antenna cables with TNC to TNC connectors, a RS232/RS422 to USB cable adapter, which can be switched between the two protocols, a mil-spec Ethernet cable terminated in RJ45 connections. We have a Breakout cable for I/O connections. And this is quite crucial because it provides connections for the primary, auxiliary, power, alert, CAN bus, GPIO, and 1 PPS. A 24-volt DC power supply compatible with 100 to 240 volts AC mains electricity. And lastly, a waterproof cap, essential to maintain IP67 rating when Ethernet connections are unused. At Advanced Navigation, we offer comprehensive customer support. Our dedicated engineering support and application experts are readily available to assist you. We pride ourselves on fast response times and hands-on assistance throughout your entire process. Your successful integration is our priority. Don't hesitate to reach out with questions. That concludes our unboxing and overview of the evaluation kit. We hope this has provided a clear understanding of the components you'll receive to kickstart your integration and development. For more detailed specifications, documentation, or support, please visit our website or contact our sales team. Thank you for watching.